Alright, so here's my Trane XL 19i heat pump running in cool mode. 2-stage unit. It's kind of dark, but yeah, I'll get better video of it tomorrow morning. I'm gonna begin this unit starting up. Yeah, 2004. April of 2004, and it's a 2.5 ton. It's already getting cold. This thing's surprisingly working kind of well. There's the reverse valve there. I got a video of these running in heat mode back in November before I left. This one is actually you know what? I'll talk about this tomorrow when I do stop and shut down. But yeah, I just wanted to get this unit running in cool modes. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out.